Good morning, dear students of class 5th. Today I will explain about natural disasters. Take out your SST textbook, chapter 13, page 90. Children, almost every time when we switch on our TV or read a newspaper, we come across many terms as earthquakes, cyclones, floods, etc. First of all, you need to understand what is a natural disaster. Any type of mass destruction to life and property due to natural causes is called a natural disaster. A human being, I mean people like us, do not have any control over natural disasters. We can only take precautions or be careful, but we cannot stop them from occurring. In India, very frequently we have earthquakes, cyclones and floods. As we are staying in Odisha, each one of us has a good experience about cyclones. We face them almost every year. They have become our friends. They visit us frequently. Okay, fine. Today I will discuss about cyclones and floods. In a very simple language, cyclone is a circular storm that forms over warm oceans. Cyclones rotate clockwise in the southern hemisphere and anti-clockwise in the northern hemisphere. Yes, whenever a cyclone hits land, it brings heavy thunder, lightning sounds, strong winds and heavy rainfall. We all know that whenever a cyclone is formed or going to occur, we are alerted beforehand. Here I want to say you is that we can be careful by staying indoors. We should not venture out at all because due to strong winds, trees get uprooted. Even electric poles get damaged. Loose wires are all over the roads. It causes a lot of damage. We really get disconnected from electricity and have a lot of network problems. Animals should not be let out from their sheds, especially cows, buffaloes and even our pets whom we love the most. We also hear a lot of weird sounds when we are in the midst of cyclone. That is the sound of strong winds and rain, which is very scary. People, those who live in small houses near the coastal areas, are asked to evacuate their houses and take shelter in many schools which are allotted for this purpose. Government indeed takes many measures for the safety of the people. Odisha has faced many cyclones like super cyclone, Phylline, Hudhud, Titli, etc. Children, last year also Odisha was hit by a cyclone Fani. Here the capital of Odisha and nearby areas were severely affected. Now coming to floods. Children, remember many a times cyclones leads to floods because constant rainfall results in waterlogging. In television, we have seen when there is a constant rainfall in Mumbai, land is submerged and the entire area is filled with water. We can see even cars and big vehicles floating on the water. As India is a peninsular country, here a question arises, what is peninsula? Peninsula is an area of land which is surrounded by water on three sides. In the same way, India is surrounded by Bay of Bengal in the east, Arabian Sea in west and Indian Ocean in the south, which makes India quite prone to the floods. The states which are usually affected by floods are West Bengal, Odisha, Assam, Bihar, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana and Punjab. When the monsoon rains are intense, the rivers like Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, Mahanadi, etc. swell with water, which in turn floods the neighboring areas. Floods can cause serious damage to the life and property. Due to waterlogging, many diseases are also spread like food poisoning, malaria, dengue, etc. Even snakes and various reptiles enter the houses, which is very dangerous. If you have seen the movie Kedarnath, you can know the amount of destruction to human life and property was caused in the year 2013. There were massive landslides and heavy rainfall which caused flash floods in the whole state. Even the famous temple of Lord Shiva was damaged. Around 1000 people died. It was the most disastrous floods in the history of India. Children, in the next video, I will explain you about volcanoes and drought. Thank you and have a nice day.